Open Anaconda Navigator. In Anaconda Navigator, find the Jupyter Notebook icon under the Home tab. Click Launch to start Jupyter Notebook. This will open the Jupyter Notebook dashboard in your default web browser. In the Jupyter Notebook dashboard, which you access through your browser, you'll see your file system. Click on the New button from the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Python 3. This will open a new notebook in a separate tab. In the new notebook, click inside the first cell. Type your Python code. Press Shift plus Enter or click the Run button in the toolbar to execute the code in the cell. The output Hello World will appear directly below the cell. Write different program codes similarly. Click on File in the top menu, then select Save to save your work. To close the notebook, click the Close button, X, on the Browser tab. In the Jupyter dashboard, click on the Running tab on the top. Under Notebooks, find your open notebook and click Shutdown. To exit from Jupyter Notebook, close the tab Running Jupyter. Quit from Anaconda Navigator. You can create and run Python programs in Jupyter Notebook using Anaconda, which provides a seamless environment for coding and data analysis. Thanks for watching.